Obviously it is a little time premium Kittisaurus news anchor CoCo Cat shirt process, and it takes a little creativity to relate with the quotes. But it does its magic when the person reads them, understands them, and feels happy for whatever you did for him, her. Remember the little picnics and short trips your parents and grandparents used to take you on? Although these premium Kittisaurus news anchor CoCo Cat shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, giving a special gift for your premium Kittisaurus news anchor CoCo Cat shirt this Christmas will be a wonderful idea. This app is the right choice to spread the magic of Christmas. A practical gift is the best choice. The best things in life never come alone, and this Christmas I confirm. If you looking on the internet a Merry Christmas wallpaper 2020 HD, so you come to the right place now. A day shares with you an amazing creative new Christmas. Other product.